According to StatCounter, Windows currently holds 61.87% of the desktop market as of May 2023. This means there's a decent chance you are using a Windows computer. In the Windows world, you have two options for getting into Linux: using a hypervisor such as VirtualBox, VMware Player, or Hyper-V, or Windows Subsystem for Linux. In my opinion, using VirtualBox is the easiest to get into with a good set of features. Did I mention it's free? This is B from Tate Talk Deck, and today I will be continuing my Get Into Linux series by showing you how to install VirtualBox on Windows. Stick with me. I've got a favor to ask. If you like this type of video and want to see more content like it, make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you like it. Let me know what you liked, didn't like, or if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or emotional outbursts down in the comment section below. And lastly, make sure you stick around all the way to the end to get the most out of this video. Let's do this thing. All right, so just to start off with, I do not plan on covering Windows Subsystem for Linux, as I prefer to use VMs. Now, the reason I like VirtualBox is because of its simplicity and the features compared with the other options. Don't get me wrong, it has its quirks, but because it's so widely used, you can find someone online who can help you through whatever snaggle you're in. Now, let's go ahead and start talking about installing it. Pretty easy to install. So I'm going to go ahead and shrink myself down here. Now I'm going to include a link to the download site for VirtualBox. So you'll have that down in the show notes. So go down there and reference it. But what you'll do is to go ahead and download it is you'll go to the website here, https://virtualbox.com/wiki/downloads, and you're going to download the latest release for Windows, which is this one right here. And then you're also going to download this extension pack so you get all the features of VirtualBox for all platforms. I've actually already downloaded those, so we're not going to be downloading them again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to our downloads folder. And we've got it right here. So let's go ahead and hit yes. Uh-oh, we've got an error. And I intentionally left this error in there without correcting it because this is something that you may come into. So I wanted to be able to show you how to remedy this. Now, what it's saying is it's saying that Oracle VirtualBox needs Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistributable package. So what we're going to do is we're going to need to go out and get that directly from Microsoft to be able to go ahead and install VirtualBox. Now, I'm also going to leave a link to this website down in the show notes. Make sure that you are getting it from the link or just searching it out on Microsoft's website because you want to make sure you're getting it directly from Microsoft and not from some shady site. So let's go ahead and close that out. I'm just going to finish here. Now, I've already downloaded it here, which I've actually got it right here. Now, this is what the website looks like, and you'll just go ahead and download it. If you're using Windows 11, you should be using x64. I don't know why they put the x64 all the way at the bottom when that's probably the most likely version that somebody is using, but hey, it is what it is. But like I said, I've already got that installed, so I'm going to show you how to. I've got that downloaded. I'm going to show you how to install it as part of this video. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, Visual C++. We're going to go ahead and agree to the license terms and conditions. All right, perfect. Setup is successful. Awesome sauce. So that's pretty easy, right? Now let's go ahead and go to the VirtualBox install file again. All right, perfect. It's going to ask us it's going to have some stuff there, and just click through until you get to install. It's a pretty quick install. Awesome. Sure, go ahead and launch it. Now we've got it launched already, so we can see it there. But what we need to do as well is we need to go ahead and install that extension pack, which is right here. And it looks like because I installed this and then uninstalled it, I guess I forgot to uninstall the extension pack. Well, we'll just reinstall it because it's the same thing as if we were to install it. So then we'll go down here and we'll agree. And it should be installed. And you can always confirm if it is installed by going to Preferences, and then I think it's Preferences. Is it Preferences, or is it maybe something else? It's been a little while since I've checked this. Cancel. I swear it's here somewhere. Date. Yeah, I guess they updated it. They removed it. Yeah, there used to be a thing underneath preferences. Oh, here we go. Extension Pack Manager. There we go. They did move it. So what you'll do is you'll go up here to File, and you'll go to Tools, and you'll go to Extension Pack Manager. And we can see that it is indeed right there. And you want to make sure that this version matches the version of yours. But if you download it directly from that site that I showed you, it should be, both of these should be the most recent. All right, awesome. So now you're ready to install a Linux distribution, which we will be doing in the next video. Check out the other videos in my Get into Linux series. If you're caught up, check out this other video instead. Remember, mistakes make you better, so keep on making them. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have the greatest of days.